Eyewitnesses couldn't help but notice the interaction between Damon and Lopez, which took place in a corner of the party, away from the main crowd. For about 20 minutes, the Jenny from the Block singer and the Bourne Identity actor spoke quietly, with Lopez resting her hand on Damon's, adding a seemingly affectionate gesture to their conversation. Many assumed the moment was reflective of a shared connection, especially as their heads leaned close together. However, sources revealed that this wasn't a tender or deep conversation about reconciliation or healing. Quite the opposite, in fact. According to an insider speaking exclusively to DailyMail.com, Lopez appeared intent on talking about Affleck and their rocky divorce, but Damon made it abundantly clear that he wasn't going there. Matt Damon shut down any attempt that J.Lo made to discuss Ben at the premiere, the source explained. Damon, known for his loyalty to Affleck through both professional and personal challenges, wasn't about to get drawn into a conversation about his best friend's estranged wife, especially not at a high-profile event like the TIFF premiere. As the insider pointed out, the timing was awkward, and Lopez should have known that pulling Damon aside for an intimate chat would instantly go viral. Fans who saw photos of the pair were quick to comment on social media, interpreting the images of Damon with his head bowed as if he was praying with Lopez. But the insider clarified that he was not praying with her. Damon was likely in a position of discomfort, trying to gracefully navigate the situation. He made it clear during their conversation that he wasn't there to discuss Affleck and that no matter what, he would always have his friend's back. Lopez, 55, who plays a supporting role in Unstoppable, was attending the premiere to promote the film, marking her first red carpet appearance since filing for divorce from Affleck on August 20th, exactly 2 years after they tied the knot in a highly publicized ceremony at Affleck's Georgia mansion. While Affleck chose to skip the premiere, likely to avoid a very public run-in with his ex, Lopez made sure to be there, showing that she's determined to move forward with her professional commitments despite her personal turmoil. Damon and Affleck, co-producers on Unstoppable, share a storied history that dates back to their breakthrough with Good Will Hunting in 1997. Their decades-long friendship has always been a cornerstone of their careers, and Damon has remained a stabilizing force for Affleck, particularly when it comes to his personal life. A source revealed that Damon had even warned Affleck when he rekindled his romance with Lopez, telling his friend to focus on his professional goals. Damon's concerns about Affleck getting too caught up in the public spectacle of their relationship seemed to echo what many felt, that history was repeating itself. Affleck, famously private, had struggled with Lopez's openness about their relationship, including the musical film, documentary, and album she made based on their love story. Lopez's camp, meanwhile, has painted Affleck in an unflattering light since the split, describing him as selfish, sullen, and a loudmouth, while Affleck's team has portrayed Lopez as fame-obsessed and too focused on keeping their relationship in the spotlight. The insider shared that Damon has been advising Affleck to keep his head down and focus on work, much like he did after their first breakup in the early 2000s. Damon's steadfast support of Affleck has never wavered, even as the media frenzy around Bennifer 2.0 has come to an end. While Lopez and Damon's exchange at the Unstoppable premiere may have set off alarm bells among fans, it was nothing more than a polite but firm boundary setting by Damon. His loyalty to Affleck remains unshakable, and as Lopez pushes forward with her career and her divorce proceedings, it's clear that the dynamics between the trio will continue to make headlines. Yet through it all, one thing is certain: Matt Damon will always have Ben Affleck's back, no matter the circumstances. As the friends prepare to promote their next project together, the movie musical Kiss of the Spider-Woman, in which Lopez is also involved, the Hollywood spotlight will once again focus on this iconic trio. But for now, Damon has made it clear, his loyalty lies with his best friend.